So much for vacuuming. Not going to happen. Huh? Good going outside to the potty. Yes. Where is everybody? Oh, there you are. Remember to go outside if you need to go potty. Where'd you go? Puppies! Pup, 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 pup. There you go. Hi, cute stuff. Hi. 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 Oh, oh. You're so close. Are you close? Oh. Oh. Don't jump up. You sit? Come here. Oh. You find a toy? Don't think so. Oh, good puppy. Aww. Good puppy. Bad puppies. Don't chew on that, hon. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. No, it's not plugged in, but if it were, it would be dangerous. Ow! Don't bite me. Hey, leave that alone. Come here. Go find a toy. Go. Good baby. Oh no, the dining room table is not a toy. Ow! Don't. Stop. You're so cute. You are so cute. Yes, you are. You're so cute. Who's the cutest? Who's the cutest? You are, aren't you? Hi, Grady. Hi, Grady. You're so cute and sweet. Well, I really do need to vacuum. Huh? I really do need to vacuum, babies. And you really need to not chew on my electrical cord.